Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P30 Lite, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we'll need, which is a SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device. You can find it somewhere in the box, but if you can't, you could always use a paper clip and just straighten out one on the edges. It should work just as well. So from there, let's pop out the tray, and it is located on top of the device. So right there. You'll see that it just kind of came out, so get the tray out, and from here you have access to a SIM card and SD card. Now the SD card is just a normal one, unlike some other of their devices where they take some of those like nano memory, so no worries here. Normal one will fit here, and just place the SIM card as well, and just like that. Now make sure that both of them are laying flush, so it doesn't, like, I don't know, obstruct when you're trying to put the tray back in. And as you can see, also it's holding in here, so they won't fall out when you're trying to put it back into the device. So just get back in here and get language changed probably. There's the pin for the SIM card, and there it is, language changed, because no one asked for it. So clearly you can see that the SIM card is working because obtrusively it changes the language to the SIM card, and SD card should work as well. But yeah, this is basically how you would insert SIM and SD card into this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.